guys, so we have a bunch of wholesale orders that we're trying to get through this week, and I just ran out of wick stickers. So I actually have enough to get through the first wholesale order, but not enough for the second. And I am so pissed because I just placed 2 separate orders for more supplies from 2 of my suppliers, and I didn't even get wick stickers. So I went on Amazon to see if I can rush and get some in, like next day or whatever. But I kind of don't trust the ones from Amazon. I don't know, like I haven't tested it, and I don't want to put it to the test with my wholesale clients, you know? So like I would have to buy some, test it out, see if they even actually stick, because I've seen some reviews where people are like, they don't stick to the jar, they come up, they're floating in my candles and things like that, and we cannot have that happening. So I went ahead back to my supplier and placed a single order for like 2,000 more wicks stickers. So that's what we did. But if you look here, we have a bunch of tins prepped and ready to go. I'm waiting for my wax to get to the perfect pouring temperature, and then we're gonna get through that, and that's about it. So earlier I showed you these new tins that I got from a supplier, and what I like about them is that they have these little beveled feet to elevate the tin from touching this whatever surface it's on, which is actually really good. The only difference is that the inside is silver, so it's not coated in gold, so it doesn't tarnish within the wax. I've never had that problem with my old jars, but these are cute and they're fine. And another difference is the lid has a silver lining around the silver lining, but it has like a silver little strip on the cap, which is fine. You can barely notice it, so I'm not too mad about that. And yeah, that's about it. I worked a full day at my day job. So I worked a full day at my day job, got home, played with Ellie for a little while, and I just wanted to prep these jars really quickly. And I know I said in my other video that I don't work while she's awake, but I just needed to get these ready really quick and get that prepped. And now we're gonna put the camera down and have some fun baby time. All right, so I made a mistake. I placed a supply order and I ordered the wrong type of wax. And now I'm really upset about that. But I guess it doesn't matter. It's still a soy wax. It's a wax that I used to use before, and honestly, the ingredients are exactly the same. It's just my preference to use my other blend that I use. Actually, it's not a blend, it's just natural soy wax. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and use that. That was my mistake. It wasn't the supplier's problem. So yeah, the reason why I stopped using this wax was because it had adhesion problems to the jar and it was a lot lumpier on the top. So I guess I get to experiment if my new formula of how I pour will work on this blend of wax. So I guess we'll be able to see that today.